Hey, what's up guys? It's TechZoomer talking to you here. And, oh my god, it has arrived. The iPhone 15 is here. So, no further ado, let's not waste any time. Don't forget to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel. This is my iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing, and of course, my favorite top 5 features. So, roll the intro. To unbox an Apple box is actually pretty simple. You have this peel tab right here that you just peel it off. Then, of course, you just push it up. Sorry for that. Or at least push it out. Yeah. And there it is. The iPhone 15 box. But let me get a better way to get the box out for you. So, I think this is a better way to get the box out. And remove this box. Here it is. The iPhone 15 box. Yep, there it goes. The iPhone 15. Let me see if I can focus it there. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful iPhone. Yep. I don't think this is the model that I wanted because here's a little story. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in white. Let me see if I can get it on focus for you. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in white. And I have a funny story for you. This phone was not supposed to be this one. I tried to buy the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium, but it ended up on a trouble and it only comes this Monday. So to get this iPhone on launch day and record the video for today, so it was yesterday that it came, I needed to do something different. And I bought the white model that afterwards I will return. But at least I have two iPhone 15 Pro Maxes, one to record the review and the other one to review. It's always good to have two phones to review. Like you can detect faults if there's a faulty model. So yeah, I will return this one and I will keep the natural titanium. But again, this is the white model, so let's open it up and see what's inside. See how it feels, how it looks. Oh God, unboxing an iPhone is always amazing. It's one of the best parts of my year, so here it is, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Try not to drop it. Oh, this is hard. Oh, sorry, forgot about the other pull tab. The other one. Drop the case. Boom. Here it is. The iPhone on its full glory. iPhone 15 Pro Max in white. Drop the box over there. Get the iPhone out. These are the accessories. So let me just put the iPhone down so I don't drop it. So these are the accessories. This USB-C braided cable. I will not take it out because this is only to return, so I need the box to be in its best state. Then you get, of course, the stickers. Nothing down there. And of course, you get these stickers right there. Yep, that's it. That's all on the iPhone box. No power brick like every year. Again, 256GB model, USB-C braided cable, nothing more. So, here it is, the iPhone 15 Pro Max in white. And my first impression is, oh my God, this is so light. But what can I tell you? This iPhone is really amazing. Titanium looks insane. Look at it. It's beautiful. Let me just pull this pull tab off. Boom. There it is. The iPhone screen for the first time. And the one thing that I cannot shake off about the feeling of this iPhone is how light it is. Truly, it's extremely light. Like, oh my God, it's incredible. So yeah, let's turn it on and see what are the best top 5 features on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. One of my favorite features on the iPhone 15 Pro Max now is titanium. As you can see, titanium is brushed this year. Brushed titanium is always a good addition to the iPhone because it makes the iPhone look and feel way lighter, and it's also very, very durable. So this year's iPhone 15 Pro Max is totally made of titanium and aluminum, and the first feeling of the phone is that it's extremely, extremely light. I cannot tell you how light it feels when compared to the older iPhone 14 Pro Max and 13 Pro Max. Those phones felt way heavier. Let me just grab an iPhone 13 Pro Max for you to have an idea what's the difference between titanium and stainless steel that I will talk about. So, these are the two iPhones, and this is stainless steel, the iPhone 13 Pro Max stainless steel, and this is the titanium from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see, this is brushed. It's not reflective. This is shiny. It's the shiny stainless steel from the older iPhones. Yeah, as you can see, it's difficult to get it on focus, but yeah, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Again, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro Max, this one feels a lot lighter, while this one feels a lot heavier. But let me discard this old phone out of the way. So yeah, let's keep talking about the best features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The second coolest feature on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is obviously the action button. The action button is a new introduction on the iPhone 15 Pro lineup where it can actually change the interaction with your iPhone completely, because this button allows you to click it, press it for a long time, and it will show you a new settings menu. This settings menu will enable you to do several things. By factory settings, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Pro models come with the silence ring, because this replaces the older silence ring. But from now on, you can choose whatever you want to. You can go for the camera app, launch the camera app, shoot photos on the camera app. You can do even more on the camera app. You can choose if you want to contact someone, you can choose whatever app you want to do it. So this enables you to launch any single action on any single app. So you can customize this button for whatever you like to. You can also launch the Shortcuts app. It's really simple. If you go into settings and you click on settings, you can open the shortcuts, definitions and settings, and then completely customize your action button. This is really cool, Apple. Great job. The fourth and coolest feature to come to the iPhone 15s now is the way smaller bezels and compared to the older iPhone 14 Pro Max. These bezels now, I don't know if you can see them, they are much smaller. Let me see if I can. It's hard to notice on video, but I think it's possible. These bezels are way smaller, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Now, they feel smaller, in person they look way smaller, but on video it's hard to translate it, but I think you can see it. If not, let me know in the comments below if you think this is a big feature or not. And now we reached the most important part for me, and that's the camera. If you open the camera app, you can see that we have several toggles, 0.5, 24mm, and let me see if I can focus on his, because this is the important part. 1x, which is 24mm. If I click it again, it's 28mm, so 1.2x. Click it again, it's 35mm, 1.5x, and then you can go to 2x. And now the 5x, which is the new telephoto lens for the iPhone. This is incredible, super cool. I love this feature. Other than that, if you have a subject or someone on your photo, let me just put it again on 24mm, is the automatic portrait mode. So if I grab my iPhone 13 Pro Max and I click on it, shows you, click focus there. Come on, take automatic portrait. It should give us, there, do you see it? That symbol there, that shows you that it's taking all, I would say, the portrait information to later on you take the portrait. So if I click here, let me see if I can focus on the phone, get again that symbol, yeah, there, click there, take the photo taken, and now on the edit button settings, you can edit and you can add the portrait layer effect later. Like, this is super cool. I don't know if you can see it, like there, do you see it? This is the depth effect being added in real time. Oh my God. And I didn't even turn on the portrait setting. This is so cool. One of my favorite features on the new camera app on the iPhone. Of course, the new camera app also supports the 5x, like I showed you, telephoto, the 1x, the 2x, the 124mm, the 28mm, and the 35mm. All of these new focal lenses are not crops on the sensor. They are algorithmic and digital crops on the 48 megapixel sensor. They don't lose quality. Don't be afraid to use them. I think they are super cool. Let me show you an example between the difference. So this is 24mm, this is 2x, this is 24mm again, 28, 35. Little crop-ins, but they don't lose quality. Use it as you like, and obviously the ultra-wide camera. So I will have a full review and a full camera comparison with this iPhone and the iPhone 14 Pro Max in the future. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel and drop a like down below if you like to see it. The new contoured edge design can also be talked about on that. This is the new design for the iPhone 15, 15 Pro Max, 15 Pro, 15 Plus. All the iPhones now have this new curved design, which I think is way more comfortable and way easier to hold on for long periods of time. So that's it for the iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing and favorite top 5 features. The iPhone 15 Pro Max surely will be a great phone for the next year. I will do several reviews, several comparisons. I will give you my experience, my honest experience, and my honest opinion on this phone. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, as you saw, has incredible new features. Those were only the top 5 in my opinion, like the titanium, USB-C, the 5x telephoto, the automatic portrait mode, the new display bezels, the new design, the contoured edges. Again, there's so many things to talk about on the iPhone 15 that I'm super excited. So if you're excited also for that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, drop a like down below so you don't miss any of my next videos. And of course, did you enjoy my unboxing? Let me know all of that. What can I change? What can I improve? I'm always trying to do so. So do not forget for all my social networks, Twitter and Instagram. this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have way more videos to come. Expect videos like almost every single day now. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Techsmart talking to you here. Bye-bye.